Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We just want to say thanks to everybody who subscribed over the last year and a bit. We've really enjoyed making videos. I've been trying to keep busy during the winter time with the inside garage stuff. Yeah, and that's pretty much the intro.
Okay, that's perfect.
Why don't we talk about what we've been up to during the winter?
Alrighty. So this winter we have been up to cutting down some trees that have been problematic on the property. One being the willow tree at the front. It was invading our foundation, so unfortunately we had to cut that down.
Big sucker.
Yes, it's
huge.
And we cut down the ash tree that was near our pond, well, future pond.
Yeah.
Because it was dead, and because we've been cutting down some trees, we had a lot of extra wood and brush, so we've been burning the brush and stacking the wood and making our fire pit area a little bit more user friendly.
Yeah, the fire pit's looking pretty awesome. Yeah, so this spring going forward, it's going to be super busy. I think we've mentioned in our very first video that we're planning on doing a 2-story addition off the back of the old farmhouse. So this is an 1889, originally built where we are right now, and then there was an addition put on the front, we'll call it. We don't know when that was done. Maybe the records that when we go for the permit, they might know. We can ask.
You're rambling.
I'm rambling. I like to ramble. So yeah, we're going to start that in May, and we're pretty excited. We got a lot of prep work to do. We got to move some utilities around. Going to demolish the big deck off the back, and yeah, just get prepared for the foundation. We hired a builder to come in. He's going to basically build a shell, close us in, and then we're really hoping that we can do a lot of the inside stuff ourselves, and we'll bring you along for the journey.
Yeah, so thanks for watching and subscribing, and look forward to, no wait, let me say that again. Take two. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and stay tuned for all of our adventures in spring 2020.
Yeah, it's going to be a busy year.
Yeah.
Alright, take care. What do I do? Ramble?
You ramble sometimes. I feel like I just sit there and smile, and I'm just.
There's not much to do.
I know. So don't ramble.
Alright, I'll keep my ramble to a minimal.